In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll all the way down to hit Security and Privacy section. Scroll down a tiny bit and this time hit Device Unlock. Tap on Face Unlock and select Face under Ways to Unlock. Now after entering your screen lock, you need to hit Add Now, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, select Done. So now, when I go back, turn off my screen and switch it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!